In today's age, a brand is the biggest asset for any company, and its employees, customers and dealers, its #1 brand ambassadors. I am Shubhra Acharya from OffiNeeds.com, and we create corporate gifts for brand ambassadors. A company's employees and customers are naturally going to speak about it to their friends and family. By gifting them merchandise customized with brand logos, those conversations can be more pronounced. For the past 13 years, we have been helping several corporates across India to create brand ambassadors through meaningful corporate gifts. Our most popular products are t-shirts, backpacks, hoodies, jackets, pens, mugs, zippers, desk accessories, gadgets like power banks, wearables, speakers, etc. We customize every single product with our client's logo. On the outside, it might look like a very straightforward business and that there are a lot of people who are doing it. But what makes it a very, very dynamic business is the fact that corporates will expect orders executed in very, very short timelines, at competitive prices and at great quality. Our speed is our USP. We recently produced 6,000 t-shirts for an ERP company in just 5 days. We delivered 4,000 jackets for a cab aggregator in just 10 days. And for an auto expo, we executed 6,000 bags in just 14 days. Time is the biggest constraint under which we operate every single day. So it's not just enough if we produce goods faster. We need to make it easier for our customers to even choose those products much faster. We have over 5,000 SKUs that we offer under various price points, all of which are catalogued on our website. Using our advanced search feature, clients can shortlist products that are perfect for them, and then using the Download My Catalog feature, they can convert them into a PDF presentation in just a click. Earlier, the cycle from converting an inquiry to an order used to be several days to weeks. But with this feature on our website, clients look through our website and shortlist what they want. Then, it's only a matter of showing that specific sample to them and closing the order. In most cases, we close orders in just 1 or 2 days. With all this in place, scaling up is only a question of how many clients we can really meet. That's why we are looking for franchisees to expand our network. OffiNeeds franchise is ideal for someone who has worked at a company for about 10 to 15 years, who likes interacting with decision makers and wants to become an entrepreneur. If you are that person, OffiNeeds is the perfect opportunity for you to leverage on your sales and networking skills, while OffiNeeds takes care of product development, design, accounting, delivery, production, and every aspect of the business. Here are 3 reasons why OffiNeeds is the perfect franchising opportunity for you. 1, it's a B2B business, which means you don't just set shop and wait for people to walk in. You can go out there and get as many customers as you want. Your aspiration is the only limitation. 2, here, unlike retail, rentals are low, salaries are low, and inventory is 0. 3, while our large orders run into tens of lakhs, our average orders are between 10,000 and 1 lakh rupees. That means bigger paychecks. If this interests you, with a total investment of about 10 lakhs, you can become an OffiNeeds franchisee. Operational break-even will be in 2 to 3 months and overall break-even in 6 to 12 months. Come join us as we build the largest network of corporate gifting zones and help every company create brand ambassadors.